day, education is expanding in scope across the world, and India takes the pride of place in it. In South India, Tamil Nadu and its capital city Chennai, on the shores of the Bay of Bengal, is one of the biggest centers for culture, economics and education. Carrying forward its heritage, Chennai has emerged as a modern hub for quality education, and Savitha University is the leading and most sought-after destination here. Students are drawn to Savitha University from across India and from every corner of the world, making it one of the most culturally and ethnically diverse learning centers. Savitha embodies excellence in medicine, engineering, law and management courses, making it the second most preferred private university in India by students. The university motto says, "Knowledge conquers all." And the idea is, when India leapfrogs into world leadership, it will surely be backed by quality education and technical brilliance.
You are now in India as one of the topmost engineering college. It's a house for 3,000 students and 8 departments. All the 8 departments offers graduate, postgraduate and PhD programs. We are starting with 3 more departments: electrical and computer science, biomedical engineering and bioinformatics. The engineering school is a 7-story building with 74 high-tech classrooms with facilities like smart boards and Wi-Fi networks.
Do you know the best part of studying in Savitha School of Engineering? Well, the answer is SFS, Study Flex System, where we have the liberty to choose our course, timings and our faculty.
Savitha Learning Resource Center is a hallmark facility that houses thousands of books, e-journals, digital learning resources, discussion rooms and reference sections. Could you ask for more to inspire self-motivated learning?
Savitha graduates undergo 2 compulsory internships every year. Industry-relevant projects and intensive lab hours ensures that Savitha graduates are industry-ready.
I like the regulations here, which helps me to score credits for publication of research papers in peer-reviewed journals.
The world is bridging engineering with health sciences through biotechnology and bioengineering. I think Savitha has an edge here because of its preeminence in medical education.
Welcome to Savitha Medical College and Hospital. It's an edifice that symbolizes the essence of service to humanity.
Savitha Medical College and Hospital is a brainchild of a dynamic founder and chancellor of Savitha University, Dr. N.M. Viray.
Savitha Medical College is enviable with its architecturally built spacious buildings. There are 3 blocks with 5 floors, including 4 lecture theatres with a seating capacity of 200 people. The building houses a number of specialty departments like preclinical anatomy, physiology and biochemistry.
MBBS, MD, MS, DM and MCH programs are offered at the Savitha Medical College, the admission for which is extended only to high-scoring and highly motivated students from across India.
The Savitha School of Medical Sciences is not just a glorified institution. It is an easily accessible, top-notch medical center available for the local community. The 950-bedded specialty hospital provides an environment of excellence in medical practices and knowledge. That is why it extends Savitha Dental College students the access to innumerable patients and specialty medical cases on a day-to-day basis, helping them gain a wider perspective and a finer edge in dental study.
Hi guys, welcome to Savitha Dental College, one of the most trend-setting destinations for modern dentistry.
Savitha Dental College is also the first ever college to introduce digital dentistry in its curriculum, with CAD/CAM and 3D printers for next level digital dental treatments.
drawn to Savita Dental College from across India and from every corner of the world, making this place culturally and ethnically a diverse center of learning. We believe in an education system that emphasizes on growth and quality. And in fact, innovation drives our everyday life here.
One of the innovation in curriculum unique to Savita Dental College is the MELA system, multiple interactive learning algorithm, wherein the classes are just 20 minutes duration, followed by an hour-long activity sessions, which focuses on developing the communication and presentation skills of the students.
The comprehensive clinical systems, training in procedures like fixed orthodontic treatment, and FBD at the undergraduate level are certainly groundbreaking. Subjects like implantology and the aesthetic dentistry are very unique to Savita Dental College.
In Savita Dental College, we're the first to introduce innovations in teaching learning process. Innovations in curriculum design, teaching learning methodology, research, infrastructure, management, student support, best practices. These are the 7 criteria which we follow to achieve excellence in our endeavors.
The Daytime University Canteen is one place where the whole university moves to when hunger strikes. And this is the place where notes are shared on classroom happenings and personal aspiration over hot tea, samosa and scrumptious healthy meals.
Here is a 4-season students' hostel that matches international standards and helps every student from across the world to easily settle down. The advantage is that every room in 4 seasons is fully furnished and equipped with air conditioner, refrigerator, washing machine and water heaters to truly give a student the luxury of feeling absolutely at home. Hi, welcome to Savita College of Physiotherapy.
Savita is always synonymous with an exemplary medical education. This is proven by the importance given to the patient care and rehabilitation.
The range of physiotherapy techniques taught and scope to learn first-hand from professionals in the field transforms curiosity into professional acumen.
The strong patient flow through Savita Medical College ensures excellent clinical training and opportunity for community care. The nursing course has the same level of promise and is equally popular.
Welcome to the glorious Savita College of Nursing.
It's true that the Savita College of Nursing is known for training and producing some of the finest healthcare professionals. Our college provides graduate, postgraduate and PhD courses in nursing. Well-designed courses help us to gradually get a grip on our subjects. Intensive clinical training, community nursing services, and wide research in specialty care are the high points.
Welcome to the prestigious Savita School of Law.
Savita School of Law offers some of the finest courses at graduate and postgraduate levels.
This school is not just like any other law school, and it is not just a place where people delve into thick law books and forget them forever.
Savita School of Law is a place for the young minds to introspect into the laws of the land and to take part in active moot court sessions to enhance their courtroom skills. Welcome to Savita School of Management.
Savita School of Management is a business school ranked A++ among top business schools in India. Here we offer 2-year MBA degree programs, MBA General Management and MBA Hospital Management. Or you can acquire 1-year diploma program, PG diploma program in Hospital Ward Management and Hospital HR Management. PhD in Management is also another course which is in great demand.
whether it is academics, infrastructure, leading faculty or industry-relevant research work. Savita bridges the academic industry gap with its foremost research facilities. Students and faculty members are constantly engaged in scientific, interdisciplinary and cross-professional research through over 37 centers of excellence. Decide to be a part of a growing genre of excellence, with Savita standing as a leader in quintessentially future-forward education and its international standards of academics. You will graduate from its portals, well equipped to take the world in your stride.